What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a 2019 Honda Pilot. So it's overall it's the same procedure, if the setup is the same. So we're going to be changing the engine air filter. So the part number here is, as you can see right there, Premium Guard is the filter. This is about like almost like $26 filter, my cost. So if you're doing the engine filter, you should also do the cabin filter. If you guys need a part number for the cabin filter, I will make a separate video on that, how to do that. And Premium Guard again. So that's the brand. We're gonna put that to the side. We're gonna put all this to the side here. Okay, I don't want it to fall in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just come down real quick right here. This is very simple to do filter. So pretty much what you want to do is you want to push down on this tab, push outward, down, outward on this tab, and this thing is, it has one more retainer back here. So it's 3 retainers, 1, 2, 3. On that end it's like kind of like a clocked in like that. So you kind of grab this and pull it out and it should lift out just like that. Okay, unless there's another retainer that I'm missing. Nope, there's no retainer. It's just in there. So this is all you need to do. Right, there you go, perfect. It opens right up. So this filter, you should change it about every 15,000 miles. So this looks pretty okay, not so bad. So I'm gonna get the new filter right here. So you, same way you put this down, facing down, so it only goes one way. You see how it does not fit, so I would switch it around to make it go the other way, and it should sit okay. So only gonna fit one way because of the way it's designed. So now I want to get the rear end in first, and once the back end is in, you're gonna have to kind of work with it and it should go right in. The camera's on my way, but other than that shouldn't be that difficult. So let me just come around here to look and see. There you go, perfect. It sits right in. So those 2 little notches in the back just goes right in, and then your retainer should snap right in. So to put the retainers on, just pull them up and push them in, and that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. 2 minutes, that's all it should take you, even though my video is longer. Anyway, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Every 15 to 20,000 miles, just chain them both together. See you guys on the next video, and don't forget to check out the video for the cabin filter.